What if the most important battle in AI isn't between humans and machines, but between two AIs? Grok 4, Elon Musk's rebel creation, goes head-to-head with ChatGPT, the titan from OpenAI. But which one is actually better? Which one understands more, creates better, and helps you more in your daily life? Today, we'll find out. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI is right for you. Chapter 1. Functions. What can each AI do? Both Grok 4 and ChatGPT are conversational models, but they were built with very different philosophies. ChatGPT, with its clean interface and generalist approach, has become the go-to tool for tasks like writing, coding, summarizing documents, or explaining complex topics. You can ask it for anything from a recipe to a full video script. Plus, thanks to its plugins and browsing mode, it can search the internet, generate code, analyze PDFs, and much more, depending on your plan. Grok, on the other hand, was trained to go beyond political correctness. It aims to be more human, more provocative, with bold and unfiltered responses. It's also integrated with X, formerly Twitter, giving it real-time access to trending content and breaking news. But does that make Grok more useful? Not necessarily. While ChatGPT shines with its precision, clarity, and built-in tools, Grok bets on freedom of speech, edgy humor, and a bolder personality. Question for you. Would you rather have an AI that's more functional or one that speaks to you without filters? Comparison of classical use. When we talk about the classic use of an AI, we mean what most people use it for: writing content, summarizing information, creating scripts, learning new concepts, and often coding. In these areas, ChatGPT and Grok offer very different user experiences. ChatGPT has been trained for years with one goal: to help you write clearly, coherently, and with structure. From academic essays to YouTube scripts, professional emails, or even poetry. Its output is impressively consistent. It also follows detailed instructions extremely well. You can say, "Write this like I'm 10 years old," or "Make it more persuasive," and it will adapt naturally. For summarizing long texts, ChatGPT is a powerful tool. You can paste full articles, reports, even pages from Wikipedia, and it will condense them instantly. The same applies when you ask for explanations. It can simplify complex topics like science, finance, or philosophy, making it ideal as a learning companion. In programming, ChatGPT is also a high-level tool. It supports multiple languages: Python, JavaScript, C++, and can help debug, optimize, or explain code line by line. It can even teach you to code from scratch, step by step. So what about Grok? Grok can also write, explain concepts, and generate ideas, but its style is less polished and more bold. Where ChatGPT remains professional and neutral, Grok dares to be different. It can write with sarcasm, humor, or even irony. That makes it ideal for emotional, creative, or viral content. Impactful tweets, short witty phrases, or bold opinions. In short, if you want precision, clarity, and full control, ChatGPT is your pick. If you want originality, punch, and a rebellious tone, Grok might surprise you. Question for you. What do you value more, technical perfection or disruptive personality? Free Grok to free chat or paid? When it comes to AI tools, the real question always comes back. Is it worth paying? Or is the free version good enough? In this chapter, we'll compare what Grok and ChatGPT offer in both free and paid versions, and help you decide which one fits you best. Let's start with what everyone tries first: the free version. Free ChatGPT. The free version of ChatGPT runs on GPT 3.5, which, despite being older, is still strong. It lets you write emails, posts, and general content, answer questions, explain basic to intermediate topics, help with homework, summaries, and ideas. Limitations: no web access, no plugins or tools, doesn't remember your style or preferences, a less creative and precise than GPT-4. Free Grok Limited. Contrary to popular belief, Grok does have a free version, but it's limited and doesn't include Grok 4. Some users of X, Twitter, are granted free access to early Grok versions, Grok 1 or 2. You can use it to ask simple questions, get basic summaries or text generation, explore its tone and style. But the limitations are clear. No real-time data access, no direct integration with X posts, no plugins or image generation. Lacks the punch and power of Grok 4. What do you get if you pay? ChatGPT Plus, $20 per month. This subscription gives you access to GPT-4 Turbo, which unlocks major benefits. Better answers, more depth. Access to tools, DALL, web browsing, file analysis. Active memory, faster performance, and priority server access. For just $20, it becomes a full AI assistant for your daily work. Grok 4, $30 per month, X Premium Plus required. Grok 4 is only available with X Premium Plus, priced at $30 per month. You get real-time answers from X Trends, bolder, more direct, and sarcastic tone, embedded experience within the X platform, a great for social content and live conversations, but still limited. No external plugins, no file or image tools. More expensive, less technical utility than ChatGPT. Free ChatGPT, a good start, but limited. Free Grok, just a preview. Power is in the paid version. ChatGPT Plus, best for productivity, learning, content creation. Grok 4, great for viral content, social media users, and bold communication. For focus, tools, and depth, ChatGPT Plus is the clear choice. For social analysis, trends, and fearless opinions, Grok 4 brings a fresh style. Which AI is better for work? In today's world, where time is gold and productivity is everything, professionals, entrepreneurs, and content creators often ask the same question. Which AI really helps me work better, faster, and smarter? Grok 4 or ChatGPT? Both are powerful tools, but their strengths lie in very different areas. Let's break it down so you can choose the one that best fits your work style. ChatGPT, your structured office assistant. ChatGPT with GPT-4 Turbo has become a go-to assistant for anyone needing structured and high-quality professional work. If you write formal emails, presentations, scripts, reports, or summaries, ChatGPT delivers clarity, precision, and the right tone. It also automates workflow tasks. You can ask it to organize your week, translate content, polish grammar, summarize long documents, or even analyze PDF files. With built-in tools like DALL, file analysis, and web browsing, it becomes a powerful productivity hub. Another key advantage, memory. If you work on recurring projects or have a specific writing style, ChatGPT adapts and remembers your preferences over time. Grok 4, creative energy from social media. Grok 4, on the other hand, is bold, fast, and unfiltered. It's built to reflect the pace of digital culture. If your job involves real-time trend analysis, viral content, or emotionally charged writing, Grok 4 shines. Its direct connection to X, formerly Twitter, gives it a huge advantage in accessing current trends, conversations, and breaking topics. That means you can react to the moment and ride the wave of social buzz or refined responses based on what came before. ChatGPT is clearly the stronger option. Which AI has the most up-to-date information? One of the most common questions users ask is, which AI knows more about what's happening in the world right now? The answer depends on how each model accesses real-time information. Grok 4 was built with a clear goal: stay plugged into current events. Thanks to its direct integration with X, formerly Twitter, Grok can read live tweets, track trending topics, and even quote recent posts in its replies. This gives Grok a huge edge in covering breaking news, viral content, or fast-moving online debates. If you want to comment on a trend, analyze social reactions, or stay updated on current buzz, Grok is lightning fast. ChatGPT, on the other hand, has two modes: The free version only knows data up to April 2023. The GPT-4 Turbo Plus version includes web browsing, which lets it fetch recent info. However, this isn't always turned on, and it's not as instantly reactive as Grok. In summary, for real-time news and social media trends, Grok is faster and more direct. For reliable, structured information and deeper analysis, ChatGPT, with browsing, is the better choice. Which AI generates better images? Image generation is one of the hottest features in today's AI tools. Grok, on the other hand, doesn't have image generation inside the chat, although Elon Musk has hinted at future integrations. For now, Grok users must rely on third-party tools to generate images. That means more steps, more time, and a clunkier experience. In short, if you want to generate images fast and seamlessly, ChatGPT is your go-to. Grok simply doesn't compete in this area yet. After a deep comparison, it's clear that Grok 4 and ChatGPT each shine in their own way. This isn't about which is better overall, but which fits your needs best. If your goal is to stay plugged into trends, react to viral news, or browse social chatter, Grok 4 delivers speed and a casual, edgy tone. It's perfect for ActiveX users who value fast updates and real-time content. But if you want accuracy, professional tools, image generation, and reliable performance, ChatGPT remains the more polished option. Especially with GPT-4 Turbo, it offers a well-rounded experience for writing, coding, or research. So here's my recommendation. For productivity, creativity, and learning, ChatGPT wins. For viral trends, humor, and online culture, Grok surprises.